Hey guys, Victor from Maximal Learning back here with another video. So a common pain point that a lot of students have is that it's kind of annoying to have to check a bunch of different places to see your school schedule and your schedule outside of school. So luckily, you can use Max as your one source of truth for viewing your entire schedule, whether that be school or work or extracurriculars and also life. So how do you import your school schedule into Max? First, you can upload a screenshot of your schedule to Max, and Max will confirm with you that your schedule is correct, and then once you've confirmed, Max will throw it into your calendar. You can also label all of these with an appropriate tag such as school schedule and make your schedule stand out with a specific color. As you can see, your schedule will be super easy to differentiate from your other events outside of school. Second, if your schedule is already on Google Calendar or Outlook or another common calendar, you can just import your schedule from your calendar by going into settings and then pressing the calendar sync import button. And then as you can see, your entire schedule is up on Max now with the location details preserved and the recurrence logic preserved as well. As usual, you can tell Max to tag all of your imported school schedule events as a certain color so that you can more easily see the difference between your school schedule events and your extracurriculars and stuff like that. Third, if you want, you can also import your schedule by simply telling Max about it like this in the chat. And be sure to tell Max exactly when your classes recur so that everything is accurate. And also, if there were any misunderstandings or errors with your schedule import, you can always edit any of your school schedule events by just clicking into an item and editing whatever you need to add or change, whether that be the location of the class or the tag or whatever. A final call out, Max will proactively remind you via SMS when it's time to go to class, so this is perfect for super busy university students who might be prone to forgetting about the next quiz section or lecture. Anyway, if you want your school schedule and events and also out of school schedule and events to be in one single calendar, super easy to achieve this using Max. And thanks for watching, I hope this is helpful, and let me know any feedback in the comments. Thanks.